Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to build a real working circuit using a breadboard, some jumper wires and an LED. Let's get started. Let's start by taking the breadboard out of your kit. This is a breadboard. It helps us build circuits without soldering. The power rails are usually for power, red for positive terminal and blue for ground. The terminal strips are where we connect our components. This breadboard you see on the right is an internal view. It shows us how the inside connections are made. Let's start with the power rails. The red power rail is connected vertically. All the holes in this line are joined together so electricity can flow easily. Similarly, the blue power rail is also connected vertically. All the holes in this line are joined together so electricity can flow easily. Now let's move to the middle part. This is called the terminal strip. Here, the holes are connected horizontally, in rows of 5. To make this more clear, we will understand it better with an example. So let's first unbox the breadboard. So now we will connect a battery with breadboard. This is a battery. It changes chemical energy into electrical energy. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. We can use this battery to power different electronic parts. Now, as you can see, I have connected the positive terminal of the battery to the breadboard's plus power rail and the negative terminal to the breadboard's minus power rail. So now, the positive charges from the plus terminal of the battery will flow into the plus power rail, and the negative charges from the minus terminal will flow into the minus power rail. These are two male-to-male jumper wires. One will go to the plus power rail to carry positive charge, and the other to the minus power rail to carry negative charge. Now we will connect the LED. So, what is an LED? As you can see in the photo, the longer terminal of the LED is for the positive charge, and the shorter terminal is for the negative charge. So, we will connect it accordingly. So now, we will connect the LED to the breadboard's terminal strip. The positive terminal in one row and the negative terminal in another row. This means one row is for the LED's positive terminal, and another row is for the LED's negative terminal. Now, we will connect the positive terminal of the battery to the LED's positive side, and the negative terminal of the battery to the LED's negative side. As you can see, if I connect the battery's negative terminal to a different terminal strip, the LED won't receive a proper return path and won't light up. However, if I connect it back to the negative terminal of the LED, it gets the return path, and the LED lights up. In the next video, we will learn about the basics of microcontrollers. Thanks for watching.